Hey there, it's Tabitha Cara, and I'm going to share with you how to save your Smart Class newsletter or your website as an iPhone app icon to your home screen. So just with a quick tap, you can get to it, and it's also something that you can share with parents so that they could do it as well and quickly get to your class website or newsletter super easy. So let's get started. First off, if you don't have a smart class newsletter and you'd like one, I have a free one at bit.ly/free digital newsletter that you can download and make use of. What we will do is go ahead and get that icon on our home screen. I'm going to do this for iPhone, but I'll put like a link to Android instructions in the description. But this is how you do it for iPhone. So first you need an image in your camera roll of your newsletter or website. So I just recommend going to your browser of your phone, typing in your URL of your doc, getting there, or opening it up in Google Slides, whatever you want to do. And then you're just going to take a screenshot and swipe over, save that to your camera roll. Now, step 2, we're going to go to shortcuts. So if you don't have this right here, you just swipe down and search for it. But I've got it right here ready. So I'm going to tap on it. I'm going to go ahead to the plus sign right here. Then I'm going to go to add action, go to web, go to open URLs. I'm going to then type in my user-friendly URL, or, if you wanted to, you can just copy and paste your doc link that you have open when you made that screenshot. So I'm just going to do tinyurl.com/Senora Caro 25. So that is my smart class website link that I want to open. So I'll just press done right there. Now, before I tap done here, I'm going to go to this down arrow and make a couple of changes. First, I'm just going to rename my shortcut because it just says open URL. So I'm going to tap on that and just name it smart class website or whatever you want to name it. Then I'll tap on the down arrow again because this is where you're going to get the option to add to home screen. So I'll go ahead, add to home screen, and in this window, I need to make sure that I tap on this icon before I add this to my home screen so that I can add in my screenshot image. So I'll tap right here, tap choose photo, get that photo, and I'll just swipe up and down, whichever part of my newsletter or website I think looks the best. So we'll do that one. And then I will tap choose and then add. And there it is. My smart class website is on my home screen. So now whenever I just want to look at it, I can tap allow. It always does this for the first time that you use a shortcut. It makes you do the extra step, but it won't after you use it a couple of times. And there you go. So this is how it would work for parents as well. You're welcome to share this video with them in open house so you can make sure that they have your website or newsletter ready, easy on their phone to get to. I hope this was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions, please, in the comments. I'd be happy to answer. You can DM me at Facebook or Instagram at Flapjack Education as well, and I'd be happy to help you out there too. So thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.